Here's the harsh truth. Most people using AI in 2025 would never make a single dollar from it. Why? Because they are treating ChatGPT like Google, asking it to write poems, meal plans, or Instagram captions. Meanwhile, the people who actually know how to use AI properly, they are building six figures career. In this video, I will show you 7 AI skills that will separate the ones who get rich from the ones who get replaced. Skill number 1 that we are going to be talking about is called prompt engineering. AI is powerful, but here's the secret: it is done without the right instructions. And most people type something lazy like write me a blog post and then complain it sounds robotic. But businesses don't pay for okay results, they pay for high quality output, and that is where prompt engineering comes in. So instead of saying write a fat loss ad, you will say you are a direct response copywriter. Contest: a 12-week fat loss program for women over 40. Task: write a Facebook ad. Audience: women 45 to 55. Format: short, under 125 words. And boom, that's the difference between spamming content and a campaign that actually sells. And here's the kicker: 78% of AI projects fail because people don't know how to prompt properly. So if you as a person can now learn prompt engineering, if you can learn this skill, you instantly become the translator between humans and machines. And trust me, it is very high in demand right now. Now, moving on to skill number 2, and this is called AI automation. In fact, I'm currently taking a class on this. So this one, let's talk about money leaks. Every business is wasting hours and dollars on repetitive tasks, following up with leads, sending reminders, updating spreadsheets, you name it. AI automation fixes that. Tools like Zapier and Make lets you connect apps so tasks happen automatically. So for example, a dentist can test patients reminders, follow up for reviews, and even send discounts without lifting a finger. Yeah, that is not good tech. That is money saved, customers retained, and fewer headaches. This worker also spend 40% of their time on low value tasks. So imagine being the person who cuts that in half for a company. That is why automation experts are charging thousands per project. And if you can jump on this skill right now before it becomes very saturated, you're going to make lots and lots of money. Now, moving on to skill number 3. This is called the AI assisted coding, and some people call it vibe coding on TikTok. Now, don't scroll just because you are not a techie. Coding in 2025 doesn't look like it did 10 years ago. With tools like GitHub, Copilot, or Cloud, AI literally writes most of the code for you. Your job is to guide it. Say a business needs a custom booking system, AI can build the skeleton in minutes. You just tweak, test, and refine. And that is no hours of typing. That's problem solving. And here's the opportunity: businesses need humans who understand logic, structure, and can ship real products. So even beginners will learn AI assisted coding now. They are positioning themselves as the new generation of developers. So do not sleep on this skill. I know a lot of vibe coders that are making money from this one skill. Now, moving on to skill number 4. This is called AI content creation. Content isn't going anywhere, obviously. Everybody is now trying to become a content creator. But boring, generic AI posts, nobody reads them. The winners are the ones who use AI to scale creativity, not replace it. So think of it like this: AI drafts the raw material, you shape it into stories, visuals, and hook that actually grab attention. So whether it's YouTube scripts, TikToks, or brand storytelling, you become the strategist who can produce more faster and better by leveraging on AI. And here's the reality: companies don't want AI content, they want audience retention. So if you can use AI to consistently create engaging human sounding content, that's what serious money. Now, moving on to skill number 5. This is called data analysis. We're already drowning in data, sales number, customer feedback, web analytics. But here is the problem: most businesses don't know what to do with it. AI can crush the numbers in seconds, but businesses, they still need someone who can ask the right question, feed the data properly, and turn the output into clear business decisions. So imagine being the person who tells a company, hey, 70% of your lost skills come from people abandoning carts at checkout. Fix that and revenue jumps 20%. That is not data, that is profit. AI gives you the raw insight, and you become the interpreter. And interpreter does the interpreters get paid. So there are a lot of free courses on data analysis, there are scholarship, or you can actually pay to learn it. Just ensure that you're not sleeping on any of this skill in 2025. Now, moving on to skill number 6, this is called AI product design. Every business wants AI features in their products now, but here's the catch: slapping ChatGPT into an app isn't enough. The real money is in designing useful, human-centered AI experiences. Think smarter shopping apps, personalized learning tools, or productivity software that anticipates your needs, that take design thinking, figuring out how humans interact with AI in a way that feels natural. If you can combine AI knowledge with US skills, you are not just a designer, you are building the future of how people live and work with AI. And trust me, AI can make your job so much easier. I hear a lot of people say, oh, in 2025, AI is going to take your job as a product designer. AI is not going to take your job as a product designer. AI will help you get better at your job, because it is only those that understand product design that can leverage AI to do it. So no, AI is not going to take up the skill. All you have to do is become better at AI, and you become an AI product designer and get paid mad money. Because let me tell you, like UI UX, like the of business, because most businesses are now digital. Now moving on to skill number 7. This is AI business strategy. This is the big picture skill. CEO knows they need AI and they even invest in it. So they don't know where to this is the big picture skill. CEOs know they need AI, but they don't know where to start. So do they use it for marketing, operations, customer support? They want to invest in AI, but they never know which AI that they need. So that's where you come in. You're not just the person who knows it too. You are the strategist who says, here is where AI makes sense. Here is where it saves money. Here is where it drives growth. This is the kind of AI that we should invest in. And because the impact touches the entire company, this is the highest paid skill on the list. And no, you are not just a service provider, you are an advisor. Yes, if you know how to leverage AI to do business strategy, every business needs you. So here's the truth: AI itself will make you rich, but learning these 7 skills, prompt engineering, automation, AI coding, content creation, data analysis, product design, and strategy, they will make you lots of money. And because while everyone else is waiting for the next big tool, you will be the person businesses pay to actually use AI in ways that matter. And if you are serious about building that future, go watch the video I linked below. Remember, in 2025, it is not about who uses AI, it's about who masters it. So if you enjoy videos like this, you already know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments.